Morning. We're just leaving Beltonville Farm, where we've spent the night. Really rainy overnight and this morning, but it's starting to brighten up now. So I've had a leisurely start and just heading off on a walk now. Last time we were down this way we stayed at Beechcroft Farm, and we walked back from the Angler's Rest up that hillside, quite steep. Path goes right across that meadow in the middle and then climbs up through that woodland just to the left of the cliffs. Soon sweated the pints out of us. Yeah, possibly a slight change of plan. Looks like we're on the Limestone Way, which wasn't the path that I wanted to take, but we'll carry on up here and then maybe come back down Monksdale. It probably won't be as long a walk as I'd planned, but still gets you to the pub quicker, doesn't it? That's, I think, down to the road bridge over the old railway line and the River Wye. I think that's actually the old railway bridge. I said road bridge before. It's a part of the Monksdale Trail now. I was just watching where that's the road we came down yesterday. I was trying to remember which way where the road went, but the road, I think, just drops down beside that and then drops down to the river level, and the railways, the old railways, higher up. Very picturesque countryside though. A few spots of rain coming back now. Didn't brighten up for too long. It wasn't the path we planned to take, but yeah, really nice up here. Millions of these look like geraniums, but I don't think they're kind of native to our countryside, but there's loads of them. But, yeah, the rain's setting in now. We'll have to stop and get my jacket out in a second. A little bit of blue sky every now and again. Brighten things up a bit. Limestone Way continues on over that way, but we've taken a left. I think that cuts across to the top of Monksdale. As I say, not the route we wanted to take, but it's nice enough anyway. Just got onto the Pennine Bridleway now, which is on a minor road for a few hundred yards, and then we'll cut left down onto Monksdale. Just cutting down into Monksdale now, taking a bit of a detour to avoid a large group of cows. Herd. Thank you, Maria. Taking us forever to get down Monksdale. It's limestone, slippery as glass. So I think Maria ever sees another piece of limestone, it'll be too soon. I don't. I can't say I disagree. But anyway, it's very sort of overgrown, the pathway down there, so it seems to be opening up a bit now. So hopefully we'll make a bit better progress. Yeah. It's one of those jackets on, jackets off type of days that every time you put your jacket on it stops raining, and then it's really warm, so you're sweating like a pig, so you get just as wet anyway. So put the jacket away and then it'll start raining again in 5 minutes. But anyway, we've seemed to have left the woodland behind now, down through the Monksdale, which was, as I say, pretty treacherous, and heading back down to Millersdale now and hopefully get a beer. Big hairy cows. And there we are, back down to Millersdale. Pretty short walk actually, but quite demanding because of all that limestone. It's slippery as anything, as I've said, and it takes it out of your legs. So I can almost smell my first pint now. Cheers. You deserve that. Right, so just give you a quick look around the walk. We are camped right here, and just walk down this road here. We were going to go up Monksdale and then along around, but we ended up going up the Limestone way here, cut left, and then back down through Monksdale and back to the Angler's Rest. So it's not a long walk, but yeah, I would say if you're going down Monksdale, I'd recommend taking a stick with you or something like that, because it's for support, because it's properly slippy. But yeah, very enjoyable walk. Right, just getting back up towards the van now. Been in the Angler's Rest for a few welcome pints and a nice meal, and sat next to the river watching some stonking great trout jumping out for bread that people were throwing in. Wasn't a long walk, I think it'll be probably about 6 miles by the time we get back, but quite tough actually, the down that stretch through Monksdale. But anyway, back now to the van for a chill out as ever. Thanks very much for joining us, and see you again on the next walk or camp or whatever I've got coming along. See you soon.